Hello student, you are welcome in our SSC class. I am Madhuri Khalil and our SSC. So today we will start our chapter number 24 urban administration. इस चैप्टर में हम पढ़ेंगे नगर पंचायत, municipalities and municipal corporation and sources of income of the municipalities or the municipal corporation. सबसे पहले पढ़ेंगे हम नगर पंचायत. नगर पंचायत is set for the area that is the process of the changing from the rural to the urban center. Such transitional area does not qualify for the setting up to the municipalities, but it is considered a very important to have a local governing part and the minimum population required for setting up to the Nagar Panchayat that is for the state of the state composition. The area of the Nagar Panchayat is divided into ward. इसे वार्ड में डिवाइड किया गया है and the registered voters for each and elect the representative of is known as the ward members. पंचायत जो नगर पंचायत के मेंबर्स होते हैं. पार्ट the incompetent the function it keep the record for the birth and death और बर्थ का रिकॉर्ड रखती है. इट ऑल्सो कंस्ट्रक्ट द मेंटेन द रोड मेंटेन करती है. प्रोवाइड द अम्यूनिटीज एंड ड्रिंकिंग एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ये रखती है. इट ओपन द स्कूल पार्क एंड डिस्पेंसरीज ही ओपन करती है. सोर्सेस ऑफ इनकम के सोर्सेज क्या है. इट नीड द लॉट ऑफ द मनी एंड परफॉर्म ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज एंड द मेन sources of earning is the greatest and richest from the government and the taxes like the property tax, sales tax, etc. The municipalities is also a municipal council or the municipal committee and it is local self-governing body. Local self-governing body है for the small town or the city. The cities which population between the 20,000 to 10 lakh have the municipalities. जिनके पास 20,000 या 10 लाख तक की पॉपुलेशन होती है तो वहाँ पर म्यूनसिपलिटीज़ खोली जाती हैं. एंड द कंपोजिशन द मेंबर्स ऑफ द म्यूनसिपलिटीज़ आर डायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड और रजिस्टर्ड वोटर्स तो डायरेक्टली इलेक्ट किए जाते हैं. दिस इज citizen of the city who is 18 years of the age and above the can be vote the municipal election and the candidate who wish to the contest and elected must be 25 years of the age and above the number of the members in a municipalities vary from the town to town and depending on the population of a town and these members are called councillors. मेंबर को काउंसिलर्स कहा जाता है. द सिटी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू द नंबर ऑफ द वार्ड. जो सिटी है वो वार्ड में डिवाइडेड होती है एंड ईच वार्ड इलेक्ट द वन मेंबर. हर वार्ड एक मेंबर से इलेक्ट करता है. सम सीट्स इन एवरी म्यूनसिपलिटी हर सीट एक म्यूनसिपलिटीज़ को दी जाती है. रिजर्व फॉर द कैंडिडेट इन बिलोंगिंग टू द शेड्यूल कास्ट को बिलोंग करती है. एंड द शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स ऑर्डर 1/3 ऑफ द टोटल सीट्स रिजर्व फॉर द वुमेन. 1/3 सीट वुमेन के लिए रिजर्व की जाती है. इट इज ऑल्सो द सम नॉमिनेटेड members co-office members and some seats filled by the members nominated by the having the special knowledge and the experience to the municipal administration beside the MLA and the MPs elected from the area and as the part of the municipalities are municipalities is also elected as a term of the 5 years, president and the vice president. The municipal councils elected from the amongst the members. One president, chairman, one vice chairperson, and chairman preside over the meeting and carried out by functioning with the help of the executive members of the according to the political approval by the municipal councils. इसके बाद permanent offices. Municipalities has become the permanently members of the assisted by the day by day working and included executive officers and secret the health officer and sanitary inspection and municipal energies and junior engineer inspector education officer. These officers follow the instruction and implement the offices from the municipalities. It's enough for today. We will continue.